Bizarre sight over Sydney stuns onlookers, but what is it? Is it disturbing?
It's unsettling.
Is it unsettling or is it ominous?
Yeah. All of the above.
Willie Doo's bucket of words. A dark, wispy mass floating above the water in Sydney this week had people perplexed. Let's shoot it down with a $400,000 missile.
Yeah.
Why don't we? An unusual sight in the sky above Sydney over the weekend has baffled the masses, with many questioning what on earth it could be. Can someone explain to me what this is? One observer wrote. The video shows what looks to be a dark mass floating midair. It looks like a villain in a movie. It looks like Venom or something. Or some kind of Harry Potter spell. What's the game? Hogwart. Some sort of hogwart.
Hogwart?
Yeah, it looks like a hogwart to me.
It's not plural?
That's right. The Sydney man who filmed the site suggested it looks like liquid metal and believed it wasn't a cloud. Well, this is actually what aliens look like. Actually, we had it all wrong.
They're not balloons.
They're floating.
They're not,
unusual cloud formations. Here are some of the wild theories that have emerged online. Maybe it's a UFO. Others said it was air pollution. Many drew comparisons to a Dementor from the Harry Potter series. I don't even know Harry Potter. I don't even know what it's about. I don't even know what a Hogwart is. A dark, soul-like figure that would glide through the air.
Yeah.
I knew there was a Harry Potter element. That's about because Harry Potter's just booming right now.
Yeah.
Everybody loves it.
Coming back.
It's booming right now. This is people with the nostalgia, guys your age. Mm-hmm. You know anything about this?
I know what a Dementor is. I know what Hogwarts is.
You know about these things.
Not Hogwart.
No, but I liked it. It sounds funnier as a singular.
Yeah.
Like, hey, that's a Hogwart. It's like a type of hog.
Uh-huh.
Or a type of wart.
Sure, yeah.
Most concluded that the mass was, in fact, a Scud cloud. Which also, because we talked about missile, there's a thing called a Scud missile.
Okay.
Appears at a low height above ground. It usually detached and irregular. A low-level moisture happens when there's a storm. It's basically a cloud, one said. Someone else said, I don't think it's a cloud. I just Googled Scud cloud, scrolled through countless images, and nothing looked like this. Another one agreed. Well, this is just the internet now. Arguing, as usual. Do you have a video of it? Let's watch for ourselves.
Look at that. That was kind of crazy,
Just hanging there. Ooh, it's creepy looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's definitely not a thing that I like. But I guess...
And it seems like it's close to the ground, too.
The prevailing...
It's lower than the clouds.
The prevailing thinking here is that it is some type of cloud formation. And we just have to go with that, Will. I don't know.
Oh, that's creepy. I've never seen that before.
Unless you have a better one for me.
So what's it called? A Scud cloud?
That's what they say. But people say they don't buy it. So you give me a Google image on a Scud cloud. Give me a Google image on a Scud cloud, and we'll do our own examination because we're detectives and we get to the bottom of it. Some of these look like tornadoes, but yeah, I guess. Well, I guess.
But it's detached. These ones seem like it's connected to the clouds.
Type detached. Type detached. Scud cloud detached. Let's see here. Like those. If you go click on that one to the right with the 8 wood TV left, one to left. Like some of those, if they detach.
Okay, yeah, sure. Yeah.
I don't know. Probably an alien.
Yeah.
It's probably a Hogwart.